Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to Psi Signs, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. Alright, ladies, we did a video on things men do that women can't resist. The guys took notes. It was a whole moment. But now, it's time for the sequel. The flip side. The things you do that drive men absolutely crazy without you even realizing it. The little things that make them pause, replay moments in their head, and think about you long after you've left the room. Guys, you're welcome. Ladies, take notes. Because these are the things that make him weak in the knees, make his heart race, and make him want to be around you more and more. You probably don't even know you're doing them. But trust me, he notices. Here are 6 things women do that men simply can't resist. Thing 1. The smile when you see him, the one that says everything. Let's start with the biggest one. He walks into the room. He's looking for you. And then your face changes. A genuine smile spreads across your face. Your eyes brighten. Your whole energy shifts. It's not a polite smile. It's not a fake one. It's not a "I'm just being nice" smile. It's a "I'm so happy to see you" smile. Guys notice this. They notice the difference between a polite smile and a genuine one. They've seen fake smiles. They know what they look like. But when they see that you light up when they enter, that's pure gold. That's the smile that says everything without a single word. It tells them they're wanted. They're important. They're the reason for that smile. They're the reason your whole face changes. And they'll want to keep being the reason for it. For a long time. Thing 2. The hair flip, slow motion in his mind. This is a classic for a reason. There's something about a woman's hair that draws a man's attention like a magnet. It's soft. It's feminine. It's graceful. It catches the light. It moves when you move. And when you touch it, when you flip it, when you play with it, he's watching. He can't help it. It's like a magnet for his eyes. He might not say anything. He might pretend he didn't notice. But inside, he's completely mesmerized. And he'll remember that little moment long after it's over. He'll replay it later. The way the light caught your hair. The way you moved. The way it fell back into place. It's stuck in his memory. And you didn't even try. Thing 3. The genuine laugh. The one that escapes. That laugh. He loves it. He's obsessed with it. It's authentic. It's pure. It's you letting your guard down completely. It shows him you're comfortable. It shows him you're having fun. It shows him you're not performing. It shows him the real you. And that real you, that's the version he wants to see. He'll start trying to make you laugh just to hear it again. He'll save jokes he thinks you'll find funny. He'll be a little more playful, a little more silly just to get that reaction. Don't hold back. Let it out. That laugh is one of his favorite sounds. Thing 4. The unconscious touch. Small, soft, accidental. These small, soft touches are like electric shocks to him. They're not aggressive. They're not demanding. They're not trying too hard. They're just there. Small, soft, accidental moments of contact. And they say more than words ever could. They say, "I'm comfortable with you. I want to be close to you. I'm not afraid of physical contact. I like being near you." He'll replay those tiny touches in his head later. Trust me. He'll think about the way your hand felt on his arm. He'll remember the brush of your fingers. It's those little moments that linger. Thing 5. The "I'm listening" gaze. Guys notice when a woman really listens. They can feel the difference between someone who's just waiting to speak and someone who's genuinely engaged. And it makes them feel seen, validated, important. That gaze says, "What you're saying matters to me. You matter to me." It's rare. It's powerful. And he won't forget it. You have no idea how much he appreciates that focused attention. It's like a gift you give him without even knowing you're giving it. Thing 6. The playful tease. Gentle, fun, flirty. You make fun of him. Lightly, gently, playfully. About his taste in music. About his obsession with a certain show. About the way he says a certain word. About his love for a weird food combination. You give him a silly nickname that only you use. You roll your eyes at his bad jokes, but you're smiling the whole time. You call him out when he's being dramatic. This banter is everything. It shows you're comfortable. It shows you're confident. It shows you're fun. It shows you're not afraid to be yourself around him. It says, I like you enough to play with you. I see you. I see your quirks. I see the little things that make you who you are. And I like them. All of them. He'll match your energy. He'll tease you back. And that playful back and forth? That's the foundation of real attraction. It builds a dynamic that's unique to the two of you. An inside world of jokes and laughter. So, here's the thing, ladies. You're already doing these things without even realizing it. The genuine smile that lights up your face. The hair flip he can't look away from. The real, unfiltered laugh. The small touches. The listening gaze. The playful tease. You're not trying to be irresistible. You're just being you. And that's exactly what works. You don't need to perform. You don't need to try harder. You don't need to be someone you're not. Just let yourself be seen. Be present. Be real. Let yourself laugh. Let yourself be playful. Let yourself be soft. Let yourself be a little weird. The right guy isn't looking for perfect. He's looking for real. He's looking for you. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these have you caught a guy noticing? Guys, which one gets you the most? Spill everything in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because here at Signs we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.